Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, guys? August 25th, I think it is today. August 25th, I think it is. August 2020. Let me make sure at August 25th, Tuesday. Guys, if you're watching this video, the deal is done. Right now, I'm on my way early, 7:15 to Tampa to go pick up this check so I could purchase my first airplane, Mooney M20j, 1979. That's right, 1979. I chose that year one because 1979 is when I was born, 1979. So I was like, you know what, let's start my first airplane ever with whatever just happened to be it. So I'm on my way right now to actually pick up the check. Then I'm gonna come back to Cape Coral. Then I'm gonna go to the airport, and then I'm gonna fly out to Portland, Maine. That's where the airplane is at. I'm gonna go fly it. Like right now, the deal is 95% done. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fly it. I've been doing my research, a lot of research, and I chose the Mooney because of its performance and the efficiency. It's just very economical. So maybe later on down my life, I will get into my dream plane, which is a Cirrus, but I might just fall in love with the Mooney. So it's gonna be a great experience. I've rented way too long, so very excited. Alright guys, so I'm at the hotel right now. The actual owner of the airplane owns the hotel, so not too bad. Little beach stay here in Maine. Super dope. Super excited. Tomorrow I'm gonna go look at the airplane and I'm gonna fly it for a little bit, and I might just fly it down to Florida. So we're gonna wait and see. Alright guys, I did it, man. I finally got the plane. Holy moly. Woo! It's the tail number. My own personal plane. I have worked my ass off to get this plane, not this one, or a plane. And I'm about to fly from Maine, Portland to Cape Coral. All right, here we go. All right, guys, so after 4 hours of flying, I am in, I don't even know where I'm at, somewhere in North Carolina. I'm gonna go get some food because I'm hungry, and you know, we get courtesy cars. So we're gonna go on Mama's soccer van and go to McDonald's, get something to eat, and then come back for the other 4-hour leg. All right, guys, so we were supposed to get gas. We're supposed to get gas, but the pump is not working. So I have to go down 13 miles south to another airport and fuel up before I head over to Florida. So let's do that.